Ready to create a viral challenge that puts your channel on the map? Start by defining a clear, simple concept that anyone can participate in. Think of catchy themes or fun tasks that are easy to replicate and share. Next, set rules that are straightforward and easy to follow, ensuring viewers know exactly what to do without confusion. Make it visually appealing. Challenges that look good on camera and are fun to watch are far more likely to be shared widely. Choose a memorable name and create a unique hashtag so participants can easily find and connect with each other online. Film your own engaging version as the kickoff. Show your energy, creativity, and personality to inspire others. Encourage your audience to join in and tag friends, amplifying the chain reaction and expanding your reach organically. Collaborate with other creators to tap into new audiences and boost visibility. Interact with participants by sharing their entries, giving shout-outs, and building a community around your challenge. Consistency is key, so keep the momentum going by reposting the best submissions and updating your audience regularly. Want more tips to boost your channel's growth and engagement? Hit the subscribe button and be the first to get new strategies every week.